Yes. So Pallavi Moreshwar Chandorkar, her date of birth is 14th of April 1980. Place of birth is Lonavala, and time of birth is 4:20 in the evening. I'm so tempted to ask Pallavi if she ever gives her date of birth out wherever she goes. Does anybody call her Chachubi? Sorry, I silly joke. I know. I just couldn't resist suddenly.
Yes.
Hi Pallavi.
Hi, Pamji. Namaste.
Hi. Namaste.
Yeah. So, I just wanted to know, I've recently started with the healing profession itself, giving out my corporate business service. So I'm going forward with this. But yes, I wanted to know how, and it's only hardly 4 or 5 months I've started with this modalities and learning more and more through Mystic Lotus as well as many other things.
Keep
So
learning.
how
Keep learning the modalities and just check what is the one modality which appeals you most and go according to that. You will take some time because you will look for your best, giving the best to the clients. So that's why you will take some time and you will start getting earnings from this. So it is a good thing, but you have to wait for some time because right now you are in a transition phase. You are changing your way from corporate to coming in your self business.
yes.
So that's why it will take some time. It is like taking the knowledge time, and after some time, you will be able to do your own work. But keep practicing.
Yeah, I've already started with the session. Means I've left my job, but yeah, learning knowledge was done past 1 year. So now I've started. So just wanted to know when can I get the peak in my business? It's almost this is the 4th month I've already done with my business. I'm earning good. It's not that I'm not earning, but I just wanted to know I'm not that socialized with the people, or I'm not
After
doing.
July 2022, you will get according to your wish.
Okay, okay. Great. Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thanks.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
Pallavi.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, Upmaji, what you just mentioned, Pallavi, that after July 2022 is when this will happen. So, everybody who's coming in to learn with you, are these kind of timelines because it's
No,
related to
they won't
money?
be able to do because
Okay,
that I had looked at the Mahadev periods of the planets
right,
because
right,
she was keen to know about period, and in the course I am not able to explain how to check the periods. It is based on the long astrological course. Here we
right,
are just learning the basics. So
right.
here in basics we are able to know, like if Venus is in Libra or this planet is in this sign, so how can I get the benefit that much only.
Fantastic. Okay, we have Ruchi on next. Her Ruchi Sharma, uh, 19th October 1974, Indore, 6 a.m.
Nilu,
Yes,
please repeat.
yes, Upmaji. Upmaji, you've gone off video.
Sorry.
No worries. So it's Ruchi Sharma, 19th October 1974,
19th October 1974.
Indore,
Hmm.
6 a.m. Okay, I have sent, yeah. Hi, Ruchi.
Hi, Neelu. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, go ahead, Upmaji.
One second. Yes. Hi.
Hi, Upmaji.
Okay. So, do you like to do some healing kind of work or some health related work?
I've been in HR, so I am almost a counselor doing counseling work many a times in my work. So I'm an entrepreneur, but functionally I do take care of HR accounts. So yeah, a lot of counseling work is required there.
Yes. So, like you are doing the counseling work, so it is good for you. You can keep doing that. And normally you are balanced. It is not like you do anything in going extra. You are quite balanced. You earn good, you do savings also, and you enjoy spending also. So go in that same manner. And if you like to do something, just take look at the Shriyantra image which I had suggested earlier. That will help you.
All right.
Okay.
All
So
right. Thank you.
you are looking for
I wanted
something.
to ask you a little business, business after COVID has not been that great. So I was a little concerned about that.
You can start your own business.
I am already in business. I'm already in business. I have a running company, but COVID has thrown some challenges.
Yes, that is because current dashas are not favorable. That's why these challenges are there, and this will remain for some more time. So you have to keep constant and working on your business, and after some time you will start getting good benefits. So just keep patience, and you have a lot of patience. But sometimes you becomes emotional and you think, shall I stop this?
Yeah, yeah.
It's completely fine with.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you
Take
so
care.
much.
Thank
Yes, thank you.
Thanks, Richi.
Thanks.
We have Nitika, we're taking on next. And just letting everybody know as well that we will take on as many more as possible till the time that we have Upmaji here with us. And also letting everybody know that Upmaji is back tomorrow at 6 p.m. 6 p.m., correct, Upmaji?
Yes.
Tomorrow at 6 p.m. as well. So do come back, ask more questions, find out more about what exactly it is that you can also get to do that we are doing here right now. So there's Nitika Sethi. Her date of birth is 1st of February 1979,
Okay.
7 a.m. New Delhi.
Okay. Nilu, her moon sign is Pisces.
Okay. In fact, Nitika is here.
Good morning. How are you?
Good morning. Hi, Nitika.
Hi.
Thank you for this opportunity.
Welcome. What is your you have something like you think something else and you do something else because your moon is in the Pisces. So you are a emotional, but expenditures which you do, it is like for sometimes family, for everyone, just for fulfilling others' desire. And somewhere you keep yourself at the last. And sometimes that bothers you, why I'm not able to do on my own.
Yes.
So it is like mindset, because you are in a your moon is in a Pisces sign. So it is like you don't have any issue related to money. It is just like I should have some more so that I can gift my loved ones many more things.
Yeah, that is there. And yeah, I'm looking to ask you what, in stores for me ahead. I'm a life coach and therapist by profession, but I have not had a breakthrough.
Okay. You said you are a life coach therapist. Okay. And in astrology, life is indicated by planet Saturn. And your Saturn is not well placed. That's why you need to recheck what kind of words you can change in your work area. Like you say, I'm a life coach. In that scenario, Saturn becomes the strong planet. If you change your wordings, instead of saying life coach, you can find out some other words that will help you, because the work which you do, it is not giving or attracting the clients as you are looking for. And attraction comes from the Venus. And you are, instead of paying on the Venus, you are paying more attention on the Saturn, and it is giving you challenges. So pay attention on Venus, and your Venus is placed in the Sagittarius sign. So just check what knowledge you can share and focus on that. Like whenever you are doing your marketing, give the information related to knowledge that will create attraction among others. Okay. And to attract the clients, what you can do, in the southeast direction, take some camphor and place in the southeast direction. When the older one gets evaporated, replace with the new one. That will help. And this is for everyone. If we are not able, if we are in a business and not able to attract the clients, place the camphor in the southeast direction. Okay.
It can be southeast of my bedroom as well.
Best will be if it is for your own home.
Yeah, my
Complete.
own home, yeah.
Because I do not know in which area your particular room is there.
Okay.
That's why best will be southeast of the complete home.
Yeah.
Okay? Do that.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks, Deepika.